1975 stand in history as a powerful turning point, a year when a modern world visibly shifted direction, carrying the weight of wars ending, empires collapsing, ideologies colliding, and societies redefining themselves under the pressure of rapid change. The year opened with the world still divided by the Cold War, a tense standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union. Yet beneath this frozen rivalry, deep transformations were already underway. In Southeast Asia, the long and devastating Vietnam War reached its dramatic conclusion as Saigon fell on April 30th, 1975, marking the first time the United States had been defeated in a major foreign conflict. Images of helicopters lifting desperate evacuees from rooftops became lasting symbols of military failure, human cost, and the limits of superpower influence. The fall of Saigon led to the reunification of Vietnam under communist rule, while neighboring Cambodia descended into one of the darkest chapters of human history as the Khmer Rouge seized power and began a brutal campaign that would kill nearly 2 million people through executions, starvation, and forced labor. In Laos, communist forces also took control, completing a regional shift that reshaped global geopolitics and deeply shook American confidence. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, the aftershocks of the 1973 Arab-Israeli War continued to ripple through global politics and economics, with oil-producing nations asserting unprecedented power over Western economies, causing inflation, fuel shortages, and economic instability that would define the decade. Europe in 1975 was now